Oops. Hello, excuse me. Huh. What's up, guys? Just want to tell you I took a shower today.
After 2 days.
Not after 2 days. Yesterday I didn't take a shower, but I took a shower today. That's why my hair is wet and I didn't have time to do anything to it. So yeah, I am just waiting for Karishma to come so I can just add her. What's happening, guys? How's it going? How's your Friday? Is it Friday? Hello, baby. I'm just gonna add you. I'm pretty sure it's all decked up. Divya saying, anyway, you look pretty. Thank you. I know you are full dressed up, makeup ke saath and all. This is how you look when you're sick. This is how you look when you're sick. Then I don't like it.
Bro, look at this. I was painting yesterday and there's fucking paint all over my hair. I just cut my hair also.
Why?
Because there was paint on my hair, I had to cut it. There's still so
आगे
much.
से भी?
See, I don't know if you can see.
But the point is, सर पे कैसे लग गया?
ऐसे करके I was doing it.
ऐसे करके.
And
Hi,
then I
Vijay,
wanted a
what's
picture.
up?
Then I wanted a picture, so I lied like on my back, and I've actually slept on
Who's
the
taking these
painting.
photos for you? First, tell me that.
Huh?
Who's taking these photos for you?
My friend.
Oh, you're staying with someone?
Yeah, you know about it.
No.
I'll
Which
call
friend?
you and tell you. I'll tell you all the details.
I had
later.
no idea. Okay, take it. Tell me later. I had no idea. Okay, wait. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, starting off with how we met.
How we met?
Do you
I
remember?
think we met at Vasai station, and it was like 10 years ago.
This was okay. So, those of you who don't know, earlier when I used to shoot my YouTube videos, I had a set
Yeah.
in Vasai, which is like a bedroom setup.
Meghna was a Miss Popular since forever. And
But
I
this
got a
was-
chance to work with her, so I was so excited. And I remember going by train to Vasai.
Vasai.
And,
The
we
first time I
each
met
other
her was
there.
at Vasai station, and I was like, oh, you came.
What
But
a
yeah,
love
that's-
story. Vasai station.
Oh my god, it was hectic. But yeah, so
Yeah.
that's how we met, and we have done a video together for my channel, just in case you've not seen it. It's a
Seen
really
it.
fun video.
What
And,
what girls
Karishma's always
say versus what they actually think, right?
mean.
That's what's fun.
Yeah. Please, I don't think people should watch it right now. I do it's a very bad video. But
No,
yeah,
but
that's
this
how we
is
met.
like not bad.
Yeah, we've been friends
I
since last
overacted
6-7
like-
years then.
I overacted like no one's business.
But I didn't act at all. Yeah, Krishna hit me. Like we have a behind the scenes video of that video, which is also live on my channel, where Krishna hit me.
Really?
Yeah, I remember we were shooting at Sumit's house, and there was a scene where you were like, "I don't know what to do," and you hit my leg. Okay.
Overexcited. Fuck man.
Yeah, cool. So, do you want to take everyone's questions first, or do you want to do the questions that I have first?
I don't know, whatever.
Anything? Okay, let's just see the question that we are getting right now. Because people always keep complaining that I never read the comments. So I'm just going to read that first.
Everyone's saying hello, hi.
Yeah, true. Vijay is having a lot of fun.
Vijay is
Hi,
having a lot
Varun.
of fun.
He's trying to find
Private
Kabir.
sadness.
Okay, we just have hellos and highs, so I'm just gonna take my question that I have already. Okay. So first question, which was your first project?
I did Pavitra Rishta. I think that was my first project. It was like
Really?
years ago, like years. Did
How
you
do
watch
I
it
not
ever?
know? I have not. What
Do
were
you
you
know
doing in that?
Ritvik? I was playing Ritvik's daughter, and Sushant was like my grandfather. So it's like so funny.
What? I have no idea about this, but good to know.
Yeah, so I was playing their, I mean, Sushant's and Ankita Lokhande's granddaughter. Yes.
You kinda are the same age, right? Because I think he's a little older than you.
Now, like, yeah. I mean, yeah.
So
But
I've
I
not
just
seen. Please send me the link to that. I really want to watch it.
no, that's okay. Never mind. Just because I've said it, please don't go and watch it, guys. I mean, you can't scan. Like,
Karishma
don't.
Sharma. Search for Karishma Sharma Pavitra Rishta.
इतनी ओवर एक्टिंग की है मैंने उसमें इतनी ओवर एक्टिंग की ओ गॉड
But I think to real life में भी बहुत over acting करती है.
चुप कर
I
टू
think
ओवर
तुझे और
एक्टिंग
राधिका को best friends होना चाहिए.
oh yeah what was that why can't you go with me and Radhika for a holiday like तुम दोनों बहुत ज्यादा
Yeah, but me and Karishma also have traveled together to
alone
Maldives and Turkey, where we always fight while traveling. We were literally.
no but this time we didn't fight that much like we were fine
Yeah, earlier. So when we went to Maldives, we were there on an island for 5 days. We didn't
and
speak
we
for
were on
3 days
a
out of
silent
that.
trip
Karishma and we were because of that, the people who were with us had to suffer because there were different groups then.
but Turkey was a lot of fun
Turkey was fun.
especially Cappadocia
Yeah, we didn't do the hot air balloon, but yeah, sure, it was fun.
yeah that's okay we must
Okay,
go
ठीक
again
है. Also, where are you from? Have you always been in Bombay or?
no I'm from Patna you know this I'm from Patna
I know this, but people don't
Yeah.
know. So yes.
So I'm from Patna. A lot of people don't know that. People think I'm from Delhi, but I'm actually not from Delhi. I'm from Patna, and my mom's from Bombay. So yeah, I used to come here as a kid. So I'm very familiar with what Bombay is like. Yeah.
And when did you move back, like here to Bombay?
I was probably 2013. So it's been 7 years.
So I think I've known you since then only.
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
maybe I think so.
Also, how is it working with Kartik Aaryan in Pyar Ka Panchnama 2?
Oh, it was so nice. He's so funny and he's so sweet and like a really humble person. Like even if I meet him now somewhere, um, he's so down to earth and like he's always has this smile on his face, which is like, dude, what? But it was so much fun actually with all of them, with Nusrat, with Karthik, with Sonali, Love Sir. It was a lot of fun. I just because I
What
was
has
so
been the
young. Sorry?
When was this?
This was in 2015, I guess. And I was still learning how to act, right? So it was very fascinating for me to like see how Love Sir is directing, Karthik and Nusrat. And like it was very nice to be on just that set where it's going like, the film did so well. So
Sweet. Okay. Okay. There's a question that Madan Shubham wants to know. What's the best thing about traveling with Meghna? And I took it because it has my name.
The best thing about traveling with Meghna is that I learned is taking amazing pictures. She's taught me how to take good angles. She will take good pictures for you. She'll get irritated, but she will do it for
I
you
will get
because
Karishma.
she gets so annoyed.
Everywhere.
No, but I'm not that bad. But she'll take good pictures for you and she tells you her little bit of secret how she edits the pictures. So she's not really the hard.
Yeah, I don't tell this to everyone because I don't want everyone to have the same feed as mine. So I don't tell them
Yes.
how I do.
But she edits also. This time she edited also like a few pictures for me, so I was really happy. Love you.
Love you. Okay.
We fight, but that's okay.
What?
I'm saying we fight, but that's okay.
We fight so much. I think the two friends who I fight with the most is Radhika and Karishma, but I love them also. But that's the thing about it. ठीक है. Can you speak in Sindhi, Karishma?
मुझे सिंधी नथी अच्छे. Like I don't know much.
गुजराती भी mix कर दे बीच में.
Your mom's Sindhi, right? You know how to speak in Sindhi?
I understand.
Say something.
I can speak Dado Suttu and all of that.
Tunjo Nalu Chai, Munjo Nalu Karishma.
That is the basic.
But that's I can understand, but I can't speak.
Yeah, it's so much like Kachi.
Yeah.
Less Gujarati, but more like Kutchi.
Kachi, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's do quickly. Let's do this or that. Okay. You have to answer
Okay.
fast. Okay. Swimming or reading?
Sorry?
Swimming or reading?
Reading.
Okay. Personal trainer
I
or
can
working
hear
out at home?
Niharika laughing.
Okay. Personal trainer or working out at home?
Working out at home for now.
Okay. Train or bus?
Train.
Okay. Spring or summer?
Summer.
Dog or cat?
Dog.
Charlie. How's Charlie? Overexcited dog. Okay. Casual or formals?
Cashew nuts.
I think you are more of a formal person. No?
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe. I think I am, but I'm like, if I've not met someone, like if I know someone, then I'm kind of casual. Maybe. Actually, I'm kind of an introvert if you go to see. Yeah.
Okay. Tattoos or piercings?
Tattoos.
Okay. Silver or gold?
Gold.
Call or text?
Sorry? Call or
Call
text?
or text?
I think text.
Okay. Long hair or short hair?
Long hair.
Can't help it, but.
Long hair. A little secret.
Sweater or hoodie?
Sweater. Actually, both.
Okay. Pizza Hut or Domino's?
Domino's.
Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
Money or fame?
Money.
Okay. Okay. Quickly rapid fire, let's do, okay? Your favorite childhood memory?
I think when I cut my hair after watching Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Like I cut the fringes because my mom was like, I'm not cutting your hair. I had like this long hair probably, and she got me the red dangli. But she's like, I'm not gonna cut your hair. So one afternoon I cut it myself.
And how did it turn out?
Bad. I cut it
Really?
here. It was like Tokyo's
It's like,
hair.
yeah, when you're cutting the fringes, you would think you were cutting from here, but you have to literally cut thoda niche se because it
Yeah.
goes up eventually.
It was here.
So
Mushroom
funny, do
cut.
you have a picture?
I might have. I'll share it with you.
Done.
Quite funny.
Okay. What's the best advice you have ever received?
What's the best advice that I've ever received? Like lately, like when, like
Ever?
I think be authentic and be yourself and believe in yourself. I think, yeah.
Okay. Favorite cartoon while growing up?
Powerpuff Girls and Scooby Doo. Who did you like?
I also liked a lot of things. I used to keep
No,
watching
like
them.
which of the three did you like? Bubbles, Buttercup, or
Oh,
Blossom?
we had this conversation once when you, me, and Shivani were deciding who's who.
You were Buttercup.
I
No.
think I don't remember.
Blossom.
I can't be Buttercup.
You're
I'll be
Blossom. You'll
Yeah,
be
I'm
Blossom.
very-
I'm Bubbles.
Yeah. Shivani could be Buttercup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goes with the red hair.
Okay, what do you like more, tea or coffee?
Tea.
Okay, which is hard to give up? Tea or alcohol?
Alcohol.
Okay.
I know a lot of people are seeing this. What's the best thing you've done this quarantine?
Okay, what have you been doing? Have you been learning something?
I have been learning the keyboard. I have been chilling with my friend, painting.
I really, in the back of my head, I'm just thinking about who this friend is. And I really want to
I'll call you and tell you. Okay, I'll show you the painting, wait, which is very bad, but
It's not bad. थोड़ा पीछे जा.
it's
Oh,
cute.
not bad.
It's cute. It's cute.
Yeah, hang it no पीछे अपनी wall पे.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
Ren is saying picante. I really don't like picante. I don't know why people like picante.
Why?
I
Renan
don't
is
know.
saying. I love picante. I love
I think it's
picante.
very spicy. I don't like it.
I like it a lot. You don't like
But I'm
spicy
like,
food?
I do, but like a drink, I can't do it. Picante, I can't do.
But fuck it, I miss Soho House, man. So
Soon,
much.
soon.
Soon,
Acha,
soon,
I'm
guys.
gonna ask you very nice would you rather questions. Answer that, okay?
Okay.
They are big ones. Listen carefully. I'm not gonna repeat it again.
Fuck. I look like an old person.
Okay, don't think. Now listen. Would you rather find love at first sight that lasts for 15 years, or find true love that takes you a lifetime to find?
Find true love.
That lasts only 15 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Take it.
I don't think love is like the forever concept is quite lame.
मुझे लगता है हमें ही नहीं मिलता खाली
हमें नहीं मिलता है वो
जिसे मिलता है ना उसे लगता है forever है
हमारे केस में कुछ you know how it is with us, with both of us. So, anyways,
let's not.
Let's not.
Okay. Would you rather be with someone who occasionally lies, or someone who is brutally honest all the time?
Brutally honest all the time. I can't stand lies. Like, I can't.
All the time. Well, even if the truth hurts you.
But it's better than like if the person keeps lying for like small things. Then it's like I would never know what's the truth. What about you?
I don't know, man. मैंने तो सोचा नहीं जब मैं लिखती हूँ तब मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ कि मैं खुद क्या करूँ.
पूछ क्यों बता ना.
I think honest, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
but in that case, we will lose a lot of relationships, like friendships and relationships. But it's okay. Yeah. Not happening eventually. Okay. Yeah. Would you rather go on 100 terrible dates or have 2 terrible relationships?
That's an interesting question.
What would you do?
I think 100 terrible dates.
Really? That is like a lot of dates. That's like
actually, 100 dates are too much. Actually, I'll have 2 bad relations. Sorry.
Not like you haven't already had them. Not like you already had them, so it's not go for that one. Okay.
I mean, not hundreds of them were bad, so...
Live both the lives.
Yeah. Been there, done that.
Okay. Would you rather have your dream career and never fall in love, or fall in love madly with like a 9-to-5 job which is not what you want to do? Like it's a job that you don't have interest in.
Of course not. I didn't get the question though.
Okay, I'll repeat it again. I told you earlier only I'm not going to repeat it. But okay. Would you rather have your dream career and never fall in love, or fall madly in love and work a 9-to-5 that you don't
have my dream career, because I think I can
and not fall in love?
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Would you rather know how you're going to die or when you're going to die?
How I'm gonna die? Actually, I don't know. Yeah, how I'm gonna die.
Why?
Because I don't know. I just want to know how will I die rather than like when, because it's gonna happen. Time is so irrelevant. How will be interesting? So I can like probably. No, actually, that'll make me so paranoid. If someone says you're going in a car and you die, I'm like, oh my god.
But I think I would want to know when I'll die. Like how? तो मतलब कभी भी हो सकता है. Every time मुझे ऐसा लगेगा ना. हाँ. Oh shit, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. when तो मुझे पता है कि ये टाइम पे मैं मरने वाली हूँ, तो मैं सब कुछ कर लूँगी.
सब कुछ कर लूँगी उससे पहले. हाँ. सही है.
So could be that. Okay. Would you rather be perfectly confident and stupid, or perpetually self-conscious and smart?
Perpetually self-conscious and smart.
Okay, cool. Same. Would you rather find your soulmate or have your dream job?
I mean, I would want my soulmate, but I want my dream job as well.
पैसे पहले कमाने.
So I think my dream job. Dil pe
Ranil is
Yes.
saying, if you decide to ever go under the knife, which body part would you touch up?
Oh God, Renan.
Ranil, wow.
No
Nothing,
body
I
part
think.
as. Yeah.
I think everything is. I'm just fine with everything.
Yeah.
Probably like lips, but no.
Yeah. Same.
How is it? Okay, someone's asking about Super 30. How is it dancing with Hrithik Roshan? I really love
Oh
it.
my God, I was so intimidated initially. I was so scared, but it was so nice. Like I was literally shivering when I had to dance with him.
How is
But
he?
it was just
Did he tell
surreal.
you
So
something like,
nice. So I told him I'm from Patna because he is playing a character which is from Patna, right? So he was really shocked. He was like, "Oh my God, you're from Patna!" Like he couldn't believe it. And nothing. He was just like very sweet and very nice about. He's like, "Oh my God, you girls have to like dance with such heels," and he was just asking me. And it was so much fun working with even Pankaj Tripathi. I don't know whoever's watched Sacred Games or
yeah,
Mirzapur.
yeah.
Pankaj sir was also. It was so much fun working on that set. It's just a different feeling. It's so surreal. So it was
You
a lot
work
of
so
fun.
much. I'm so proud of you. You
Thank
keep doing
you.
something or the other.
I love you. Thank you.
Okay, I think that is it. That's all I have right now. If you guys have any questions, you can ask. But
Let's see. What have you been doing?
nothing. I'm just doing this live, and I work out sometimes.
I've been seeing those workout videos, guys. It's hot.
uh,
Workout. Someone's saying lesbians. Okay.
Karishma
Sure, guys.
sings really well. Karishma, do you want to sing
No,
something?
I don't. I don't. I don't. Don't do
Please.
this. No. You sing with
Someone,
me.
someone, no chance.
Okay.
Okay,
How would you play gray shaved role, Karishma? Yeah, I
someone
would.
saying इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं था.
Please bring Charlie. Someone's like, when will you be on Kapil Sharma show? Very soon, guys. I hope very soon once this whole lockdown gets over.
But you have been on that show a lot of times already.
Yeah, like 5 times, and it's so much fun. Yeah.
Yeah, really, I find him funny.
Have you watched any of them? Don't lie.
Of course, once though you made me watch together, like when we were together, tabhi only we watched.
I do that to a lot of people. Sit with me. Please watch it. Please
Wow,
watch
aren't you
it.
very, very special?
Uh,
Hi, Preet.
oh, Preet's here. Hello.
Someone saying Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Someone said I love you in Ragini. I loved you in Ragini.
Thank you, guys.
You know, I especially bought subscription to watch you in Ragini.
You did? You watched
Where
it?
was it? Woot?
No, all Balaji.
All Balaji. Yeah, I bought subscription.
Did
just
you?
to watch that.
Yeah. How did you like it?
It was good. I think, but you've done better in other things, so
Yeah.
this
Thanks.
can't be my favorite.
Hey, you came with me for Super 30's screening.
Yes.
Exactly. I was like, she's watched it with me. I was so nervous when it was coming. I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, I remember. You were not in a good mood
Whistling.
that day.
Sorry?
You were not in the good mood that day.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you had to choose one makeup product for the rest of the life, what would you choose?
I would go with lipstick, I think.
I think I'd go with a lip tint.
I would go with a lipstick.
Sure.
It's the same thing because like you can apply it everywhere and use it as a makeup product.
Yeah, but I
Hello,
really like the
Sukriti
benefits. Huh?
So Kriti is yours.
Hello. Someone's name is Hey Corona, it's me.
Guys, do you have any questions? Meghna, your hair
Deepak.
looks good. I did not do anything to my hair today.
My hair is like super funny today.
Karishma always complains about her hair, no matter what. So,
I love having good hair, but look at this, man. I have to probably cut it from few parts because there's color all over.
They look nice.
But do you have oily hair or do you have dry?
I just washed it, so today won't be oily. Tomorrow, I think कल
No,
शाम तक वो oily हो जाएंगे.
So what do you use usually for? Because I also have like really oily scalp.
You know, I don't use dry shampoo when like I have a oily scalp. I usually put like Pond's or
Powder?
something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it works better than a dry shampoo.
Powder.
So,
I was like powder.
yeah, I use powder. It works really well. I can see it as soon as I apply. So I think एक और दिन तो निकल जाता है फिर उसमें.
But that's a really good hack rather than using the dry shampoo.
Yeah, just in case you guys don't have dry shampoo at home, you can use this hack.
Yes, I learned it from me. Someone's like, which director do you want to work with? I really want to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Anurag Kashyap. They're like two. Who's your favorite director?
I don't think I know a lot of them. Like, I don't know. I think Imtiaz Ali.
Oh, I was gonna say that. Yeah. Did you watch Love Ajkal? The two?
The new one? I don't think. Love Ajkal?
Yeah,
No, I didn't.
Sara
I was
and
thinking who. No, I have not.
Sara and
I have not. Okay, someone asked Karishma one question. If you can please answer, is Kapil equally funny, loving in real life?
What?
Is Kapil Sharma equally funny in real life? Or like,
Oh yeah, he is. He's actually very, very funny. He has these impromptu jokes which will like it's like, dude, this is not like scripted. He just comes up with like things like this, and you're just there laughing. So he's extremely nice. I know I've heard like a lot of people ask me that, oh, is he like really rude or whatever? But he's very, very sweet. Like,
okay, who's your favorite actor?
Mine.
Yeah.
Now I think it's Ranveer Singh for now.
Really?
Yeah. Who do you like?
I always loved Ranveer Kapoor. I think he's my favorite. He's been my favorite for very long.
And I like Nawaz. So these are like my two favorite actors.
Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask or
Hey,
we are done
Meghna,
with today's live.
are you looking for a content writer working for you? Meghna.
Hi.
Karishma, you read books or write? I don't write books, guys, but I try to read them. I wish.
Imagine.
Karishma being the author of, I don't know.
Could be something like Gossip Girl only.
I was just gonna say Sex in the City, but I was like, okay.
Okay, I think.
Yeah, it's
That's
no
it.
one really asking.
Anything.
Karishma, what would be your Corona pickup line to a guy?
None.
Yeah,
Okay, so just a good movie.
just a good movie. Watch Platform or A Rainy Day in New York. I watched it yesterday.
How is it?
It's cute. Very cute.
I'm really. So I think I'm gonna quickly end this live because I want to know the secret. I'm just thinking about it constantly. About. So I can't wait to. Hi Harshvardhan, how are you? Karishma, they want to see your puppy.
Oh wait, I'm gonna get Charlie. Charlie, come here. Come.
जी suddenly गायब हो जाती है बार-बार.
Charlie को लेके जा दो ना यार. Charlie. Oh.
He doesn't want to come. Let's be.
Say hi to me now.
Hello. Charlie loves me. First of all, I want to tell everyone he loves me more than he loves Karishma. Every time I go to Karishma's, he's just jumping.
Yeah, he doesn't love me as much as he loves my friends. That's a different story altogether.
कोई तो आपके घर आया है.
हाँ, that's my friend. And now Charlie is gonna go hop on her. Anyways.
Okay, I think that is it, guys. So there's nothing.
Yes. Oh, that's not my friend. Anyways, so it's so nice talking to you, and I really, this is really inspiring what you're doing, and you're doing this every second day. Are you doing that every second day?
Every alternate day, yes.
That's really nice, and I'm like hoping to like see some like really crazy people on this channel. So, yeah.
Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
That is it, guys. If you have any question you want to ask Karishma, you can probably drop in a DM or something.
Yes.
Or maybe in the next live. But until then, babe, I'm going to call you. But bye, guys.